I go north.
You not, I thought.
Kill a stair. Go.
Okay. Just push. Yeah. It's fine.
Come on,
Only
we
you.
don't have stair.
I can hook them too.
Can you please?
I hook
Nice.
Sia.
Okay.
After you
I stand back,
go
I stand back.
after you go
Okay,
after you go
Okay, okay.
I'm getting on front.
Just do the front. Heal up. We heal up.
Yeah.
You're good down.
It's fine. Watch out, hellfire.
Yeah.
Watch out, hellfire.
Can you get him in?
Judy here.
Oh,
Oh, this guy.
Call target.
Wait.
Help me,
Cat on front. What the fuck?
Can you do the...
After you
I think no boot. Okay.
Yeah, I don't Judy. Help
San. Look.
No rest?
What?
Yeah, he's
It's fine, we push. Can you see the healer?
I did some darts. Ready?
Yeah, 3.
They have five nothing. They have five no boots. They have no boots. They resistant. Cannot. I
after heavy mess.
Let's kill Oli.
I'm in 10.
There's some two. What is going on?
Oh, watch out, hellfire.
Can you
Okay.
full cut?
I reset now.
Okay, wait for you to reset. We can push. We have value. Can you see the bird?
Why are we going backline?
After you go
There's some two.
Nice shoes.
Jeez.
Gig ka pala eh. Ang ina, nag-blinkin pa ako para sa'yo.
You na ba beginning cat?
I don't know.
Hindi ko alam ba't sa baka wala pa naman akong
Fine.
kinukontre.
Finish.
Nakidnap ako pre.
Hindi nga.
Hit sana ako doon. Sa mid, sa front.
Hindi, di ba yung pinag-usapan kanina yung mga tank muna. Kaya tinatry ko yung ina-angle ko yung fucking... Nagbe-blink out kasi sila. Ilang beses ako nag-try nag-stun nung ano.
Okay, check natin bot.
I don't know.
I save you.
Oh my god.
Rock. Yeah.
Just instant stun. Like use everything on front, then we can go back like after. No need to go backline.
Okay, Cash still fight here. Sumda still good HP. You still have Judy, alright?
Yeah. Why this? Why we doing
Okay,
double blinking?
I'm trying to angle full cut.
Yeah, but you can just drop E, then run away. We cannot kill him, even you full engage.
Wala, nag-blink out din, no? Hindi, yun tinry ko.
Hindi, kahit matamaan mo ng tatlong kick yan, din mamamatay. So, no point na mag-engage ka na, mag-engage ka ng triple kick talaga na, perfect. Drop mo lang yung E mo dyan, tapos chill ka.
Gio, I want to go help you. But
There, just drop RE. Here. Magdo-double blink ka eh, sa stun ka niya kaagad eh. Nasa harap ka pa nag-blink ng hammer, di ba? Sa harap ka pa na nag-blink.
Bro, I got waited, man.
Nag-double blink ka pa doon eh, di patay ka na, wala ka ng ano.
yeah, I want to help you, but I don't have W. I cannot.
Tsaka di ka pa nag-triple kick. Ba't di ka nag-triple kick doon?
Naging ano ako, taga.
What?
Hindi, nung kanina dito. Dito triple kick ka, may resistance yung triple kick eh.
Wait, Lanto, you got kidnapped?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, so why you here? Oh.
Don't hit you already. Pag ganun
I
lang
cannot-
dito agad, pagpapasok ka.
Hindi ko nahihiling. Kaya
Anong tanga ko doon?
Talaga, kaya dalawa nilante, tangan yun doon sa larong yan.
binate ako, pre.
Dapat nag-grab ka na eh, dapat nang pumasok ka nag-grab ka na eh, galing mo eh.
Hindi ka masisipa.
Maybe getting your armor Talofo
Binate ako.
more stronger.
Nag-double blink ka ba talaga eh, para mamatay yung sarili mo eh. Hanayaan mo na sana si Cash eh.
Kaya para si Cash na sisisihin natin.
Akin.
Nailing art lantoy, pre.
Kaya ano, pre.
Doon na nag-grab na nandun na siya sa sa likod ng kalaban. Gago.
Di rin tumama yung sa akin doon to eh.
Sinave yung rob eh. Naglakad pabalik eh. Tanga na lantoy.
Nagawala to eh.
Okay, go last. For me.
Go last?
For me. Yeah, I can go more.
Okay, I pop again. Wait. Oh,
Naglakad pabalik oh.
Hindi naman tumama sa akin.
Hindi, mag triple kick ka na dito dahil sinisave mo yung triple kick, di ka naman maka-engage eh, dahil low HP ka eh, palabas mo na lang.
Nag-dash ka kaya nag-miss din sila nito. Tapos tinadyakan palayo.
Dapat nag-triple kick siya, wala,
damage resistance.
masisave ka at sana doon eh.
Bay na bay sa.
Dahil pag sinisave mo triple kick, di ka naman maka-triple kick eh, dahil low HP ka eh, di ba?
Oh, tapos sobrang laki din ng
Wala
resistance
magagamit
nung
yun
ano, nung passive pa nagda-W.
Oo.
100 something yun eh.
Okay lang yun.
Bay na bay.
Bay na bay, Lord.
Harap-harapan din double blink ni Cash eh.
I can be your hero, baby.
Dito ako guys.
At least alam na natin, Cash, do or die si Lantoy pagdating sa'yo.
No, true. Totoong kaibigan, pre.
Totoong chiga.
Hoy, map.
We'll need the right there.
Northwest.
Beses na yun, boss ah.